Get rid of blackheads naturally using ingredients at home. If you're struggling with blackheads, worry no more, because we'll be teaching you easy and natural ways to get rid of them at home. But let's first get to know about blackheads. What are they and what causes them? Blackheads are one of the most common types of a skin condition called acne. Basically, they're clogged pores on the skin. Blackheads appear dark not because of dirt, but because they're open, and the skin pigment called melanin produces a black color as it gets exposed to air. Aside from blackheads, there's another common type of acne that you may probably be already familiar with: whiteheads. Whiteheads are similar to blackheads, but the main difference is that the pores are closed and they have a white or yellowish head. Blackheads are mainly caused by hormones, especially during puberty. At puberty, the body produces more androgen, which is a hormone that causes the skin to produce more oil called sebum. Sebum and the healthy bacteria in the skin are important as it helps protect and nourish the skin. But when a pore gets clogged with a buildup of dead skin cells, sebum, and bacteria, blackheads and other types of acne may develop. And since they may get more infected, it's important to get rid of blackheads. You can do this naturally using simple ingredients you can find at home. For example, cinnamon powder. Studies have suggested the cinnamon can treat blackheads and other types of acne since it exhibits antibacterial activity against P. acnes, the type of bacteria that mainly causes this skin condition. For this remedy, you'll also need lime. Lime can help get rid of blackheads too, since it is also antibacterial. It's rich in vitamin C, which nourishes the skin and prevents the signs of skin aging. Form a thick paste by mixing equal parts of cinnamon powder and lime juice. Apply it on your blackheads, leave it overnight, and gently cleanse your face using warm water in the morning. Another thing that you can use is honey. Honey, especially raw natural honey, is very healthy for the skin due to its antibacterial effects that prevents infections on the skin. It also contains antioxidants and zinc that nourish the skin. Furthermore, honey has alpha hydroxy acids, which are natural plant compounds that help remove dead cells on the skin. Just apply honey on the affected areas, leave it for about 15 minutes, and then wash your face thoroughly with warm water. The next remedy uses tomatoes. Studies have shown that tomatoes can help treat blackheads due to their anti-inflammatory properties. Tomatoes were also found to protect the skin from the damaging effects of frequent sun exposure. Peel and mash one small tomato and apply it to the affected area. Leave it overnight and then wash your face in the morning. But before we proceed with our list, if you're finding it helpful so far, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more informative videos, and click on the bell icon so you'll catch all of our future videos. Moving on, we have a mixture of oatmeal, olive oil, and yogurt. Oatmeal, with its anti-inflammatory effects, has been found to be effective in treating many skin conditions, including acne. It also helps protect the skin against the harmful radiation from the sun, which causes skin aging. This remedy uses yogurt, a kind of fermented food. Studies have shown that fermented foods, which are foods rich in healthy bacteria, can help treat certain skin conditions including acne, both when taken orally and applied externally. Also, in an International Journal of Cosmetic Science study, yogurt containing facial masks were proven to be effective in moisturizing, brightening, and softening the skin. Another ingredient in this mixture is olive oil. This is beneficial for the skin due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which means that it helps heal infections and nourishes the skin. Lastly, for this mixture, you'll need lemon. Like lime, lemon is a rich source of vitamin C that helps maintain skin elasticity and prevents signs of skin aging like wrinkles and fine lines. Simply mix 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Apply the mixture to the blackheads, and after about 15 minutes, wash your face thoroughly with cold water. Another thing that you can use is eggs. Eggs are a great source of vitamin A, which has been proven to be effective in treating acne, which includes blackheads. Beat 1 to 2 egg whites and then mix with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply the mixture to the affected areas, leave for about 30 minutes, and then wash your face with warm water. And that's the end of our list of the easiest at-home blackhead remedies. Do you know other natural ways that we didn't get to mention? It truly is fascinating how simple ingredients at home can have so many uses. Aside from having a ton of health benefits, they can be used to treat several diseases too. If you want to discover more of these natural ways to treat common ailments at home, then check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, where you'll find 800 plus medicinal plants that would replace every drug in your cabinet. It includes recipes of infusions, teas, essential oils, salves, and other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has 2 to 4 high-definition, colored pictures, and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. Click the link provided in the description below and you'll find out why the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies is the best plant medicine book ever written. We hope you learned a lot from today's video. Give it a like, visit our channel for more informative videos, and subscribe because we'll be sharing more health tips and tricks with you. Thanks for watching and see you again.